Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are definitely not in my kitchen today. We are in my vegetable garden, and I'm right here with my mint plant, and we're going to be picking some mint today to make some delicious fresh mint tea. Every year I grow fresh mint. In fact, I've had this mint bush for about, 5 years. In the winter, I just cut it back to nothing, and this is how it grows. I live in California, and I have a very, very long growing season. So we're going to cut some fresh mint, make some delicious fresh mint tea. And while I have you here, I might as well give you a tour of my garden. So you might as well start with my mint. I have it in a pot for a reason. The reason it's in a pot is it's very invasive, and it will take over everything. So this way I can keep it under control. If you come over this way, this is my chive plant. I've had this chive plant for quite a few years, and it goes back to nothing in the winter, and then this is what's happening right now. This area right here are my strawberries. These are my older strawberries right here, and I've just planted some new strawberries right over here. We go down this way. And if we make a quick turn here, this area here is bare. This is where I'm going to be planting my basil. It's still a little too cold in the evenings for basil. And then I have my mums. These keep insects away. And let's start with my squash over here. So these are my yellow squash plants here. And then I have my regular green zucchini here. So this is one of my zucchinis, and you can see it's starting to get flowers. This right here is a male zucchini flower. It has a very thin stem to it, whereas this right here, this is a female. You can see it's thicker here. This is the beginning of a zucchini. So I'm very happy so far with that. If we come over this way, these are my cucumbers going all the way down this row here. They're not doing too much right now. And then over here I have my pepper plants. These are my red pepper plants, red bell peppers. These are our red Nardello, I think, peppers, which are sweet. And then here I have an Anaheim and my jalapeno, yummy. And then here, down these two rows, are my tomato plants. I have 6 different varieties. And then here are my beef master. I just want to show you the flowers on this. It's unbelievable. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there you go. Look how huge these flowers are. The fruit from this tomato plant can get to be 2 pounds, they say. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So enough of my garden tour. Didn't mean to bore you with that. Maybe you found it interesting. But now let's go in and make some delicious fresh mint tea. So I have fresh mint leaves that I just washed, and I'm just going to pull them off the stem. And really all we're going to do, once I get them all off the stem, is I'm just going to lightly chop them up. So this is nothing fancy. It's not like a chiffonade or anything like that. I'm just cutting the leaves. That way the oils will start releasing, so that when I pour in my warm water, it will help release more of the oils to create that beautiful mint flavor. I'm going to stuff all of the leaves in here. It's okay if you have some stem, not a big deal. So I have this pitcher, and this is an infuser pitcher, I guess you could say. And I'm going to put the mint leaves that we just chopped up, and I'm going to pour, this is not boiling water, it's just warm or hot water in here. And yes, this pitcher can take the hot water. And this infuser has holes in it so that all of the minty flavor will be infused. We'll come back in about 15 minutes and have some delicious, refreshing mint tea. Fresh, delicious mint tea, freshly made with fresh mint leaves from my garden. And you can do this too if you buy a mint plant. Let's take a sip. Oh, So minty. The mint really comes through. And if you look at the color, it's a really nice color, and it's herbal and caffeine free. If you would love a refreshing tea drink during the day and you don't want the caffeine, this is the way to go. So refreshing for the spring and summer months. Yum. Well, thanks for joining me today as we made our delicious fresh mint tea. And also, I want to thank you for coming along with me as we toured my vegetable garden. If there's something that you'd like to see more of, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.